How to use gift card on Walmart app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use your gift card on the Walmart app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use gift card on the Walmart app, all you have to do is first of all simply go ahead and launch the Walmart application from the list over here. Now if you're on the application and then you want to use a gift card, you have to do so during the checkout process. Go to the cart option, make sure you've added the products that you want to buy to your cart, and then just continue to the checkout process. Also make sure to enter your shipping options over here, and right under it you can see payment method, and it is under payment method where you have to choose a gift card. So just tap on these options over here, which means to select pay with card option and just select the payment method over here. So let me just go ahead and select the type of cards that they accept over here in this case as well. So right over here you can see it says pay with card, and over here you can see it says learn more about payments we accept. So just tap on payment method, and right under it you'll also be able to find Walmart gift card, which means you can simply enter your Walmart gift card code right in this, because you can see they accept the gift card as well. So what we're gonna do is you just need to simply enter your gift card number in this card number page. Make sure that the gift card number is basically correct, and then over here you can see gift card type. Just select it and then just select Walmart gift card here, and then you need to make sure to enter the 4-digit pin. Then just tap the save card option in order to go ahead and then use a gift card. This way you can use gift card on the Walmart app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.